This is a common condition that can affect many plants. This condition is frequently associated with Scrirtothrips dorsalis. Pupae and adults eat on the underside of young leaves, for example. They remove the seeping fluid by scraping and puncturing the tissues. Infected leaves may exhibit deformation, curling, and acquire pale brown to silvery patches. In the worst situations, the plant has premature leaf drop once the leaves are totally distorted. A flower infestation can cause drying and shedding, as well as stains on the petals. Fruit that is misshapen, spotted, or covered with scabs will be less valuable commercially. Even though the infestation happens all year round, it peaks in soils with too much nitrogen fertilizer and during the dry months. This condition often appears when symptoms are caused by two species of thrips, Scrirtothrips dorsalis and Thrips cruentatus. Adult Scrirtothrips dorsalis are straw yellow in colour. The female lays about 50 greyish-white bean-shaped eggs, usually inside leaves and young shoots. As the population increases, they will also choose the surface of mature leaf blades. The incubation period is 3 to 8 days. Newly hatched pupae are small, with reddish bodies that later turn yellowish-brown. Pupae enter metamorphosis, fall from the plant, and then complete their development in loose soil or leaf pockets at the base of their host plant. The pupal stage lasts 2 to 5 days. Adult R. cruentatus are small, slender, soft-bodied insects with fringed wings, dark brown with yellow wings, 1.4 millimetres long. Some natural techniques that might be beneficial are: thrips on pomegranate trees have been found to be successfully controlled by a variety of biological control agents, including the tiny pirate aphids of the genus Aureus and phytoceid mites like Amblysaeus swerskii and Neoceolus cucumeris. On other host plants, including pepper and grapes, predatory mites like Eusaeus sogiensis, E. hibisci, and E. tularensis have also been successfully employed to manage populations. To dehydrate thrips and their larvae, spread diatomaceous earth around the base and leaves in the evening. Apply spinosad, spinetoram, or neem oil to the tree's base and both sides of its leaves. Treatments like these may be employed as the issue worsens. Always think about combining biological therapy with prophylactic measures. Malathion-containing foliar sprays are advised for the management of thrips. The population of S. dorsalis thrips can be effectively decreased by using alternative pesticides. For instance, it is well known that abamectin, methamil, and dimethoate work well against thrips in general. To reduce the likelihood that this may occur again, if disease-resistant cultivars are available, choose those. To keep an eye on thrip populations, use sticky traps. Taking the leaves off of diseased plants and gently tapping them on a piece of white paper is another technique. Clear the field of any plants that are severely diseased. Avoid over-fertilising the soil with nitrogen and give it enough water. To protect beneficial insect populations, don't misuse pesticides. Steer clear of adding substitute host plants to the surrounding area. Weeds in and surrounding the area should be removed. From a distance, windbreaks can shield the field from harm. To expose thrips larvae to sunlight, plough the soil. In conclusion, leaves curl up. Plants lose their leaves too soon. Fruits and flowers are also impacted. These are tiny, thin insects with yellow wings and dark brown bodies. Subscribe for more tips about plant health and care.